Have you been looking for a two-story home in a small community in the Fountain Inn area? Today, we're going to take a tour of the Evans floor plan by Toll Brothers in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville, Simpsonville, Fountain Inn, Greer, Spartanburg, Anderson, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, this Evans is a 2,841 square foot, 5 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms. It depends on how you use the flex room that's on the main level. 3 full bathrooms. There's a full bath on the main level. The flex room has a walk-in closet in it, so it could be a 5th bedroom. Open floor plan on the main level, gorgeous kitchen. This is a cement board siding neighborhood, so there is no vinyl siding in this community. There's about 90 lots in this neighborhood. There are sidewalks in the neighborhood as well. Conveniently located about 5 minutes away from downtown Fountain Inn, 10 minutes from downtown Simpsonville or to the Five Forks area of Simpsonville. Less than 1 minute from 2 golf courses, Carolina Springs Golf Course, which is a public course, and also Fox Run Golf Course. And let's go inside. We're gonna check out this one. And by the way, if you like these videos, subscribe and like so you can be notified anytime we post a new video. Let's go check this property out and see what you think, okay? Two-car garage. You got a little front porch here. Nice size front door. You have the glass there, so it lets in plenty of natural light. Nice wide hallway. Even big enough to put a little table in the hallway. And this is the flex room, so it could be a study, could be a bedroom. Good sized room, by the way. And access to the full bath. So it's like an ensuite bathroom. And obviously that door goes back out to the hallway, so the guests can also access the bathroom. Walk-in closet in this main floor flex room. And back to the hallway here. And obviously this is to access that same bathroom. Tile flooring. And you do have white plank, luxury vinyl plank floors. Coat closet. Nice size closet there. And you do have these crown molding in the foyer. And the living area, gas log fireplace, and the breakfast dining area here in the middle. White cabinets, quartz countertop, backsplash. Whirlpool appliances. You got the gas cooktop. The farmhouse sink. You got the prep kitchen, butler's pantry area here. Same floors. Good size walk-in pantry. Definitely big enough to go shopping at Costco or Sam's Club. You got the mudroom here. This door goes into the 2-car garage. It does have tankless water heater. Automatic garage door opener. You have the built-in microwave there in the kitchen. islands, with space for bar stools. And we're just going to pan around one time here to get a better view of that kitchen. Okay, let's check out the outside. Beautiful double sliding doors here. Back up a little bit here, and covered patio, good size covered patio. Nice size backyard. All right, let's go on upstairs. See plenty of natural light coming in from here. You got the window, you got the door with the glass, and on the stairs, hardwood stairs. On this side, there's a loft area on this side over here. To the right. Nice size laundry room. Tile floors as well. And this takes us into the owner's suite. As you can see, you have the crown molding as well. Double doors heading into the ensuite bathroom. Nice size sink vanities with drawers and cabinets. Rectangular sinks. And the glass there goes into the shower. Beautiful tile flooring on these floors here. And to the toilet, water closet, full tile shower, floor to ceiling. Got a little bench there. Good size shower. And wait till you see this closet. Oh my word. Look at the size of this thing. So it goes from that side to all the way over there. It's big. This thing is huge. Huge closet. And then we'll head over to the other side. It is full, really carpet upstairs. And so all carpet upstairs. Second or third bedroom, depending on how you look at it. And third bathroom, double sinks, tile floors as well. Tub shower. Another bedroom here, closet, good size bedroom. And this is a linen closet. And the last bedroom. If you are interested in this new construction home or any other new construction homes for sale in the area here, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area, let me and my team help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.